Welcome to Fundraising by Fractured Atlas General Support Tutorial. Not sure how to use General Support? Don't worry. We have got you covered. Your Fundraising by Fractured Atlas display includes Profile, General Support, and Campaigns. Now let's check out General Support. First, go to fundraisingbyfracturedatlas.org and log into your account at the top right corner of the page. Create your current fundraising headline title and share your donation ask appeal under the Details tab. Add and edit new giving levels in the Named Giving Levels tab. After you hit Submit, preview your edits and hit Submit for review under the Status tab. Notifications at the top will let you know when edits are saved. We'll notify you once we receive it and once it's approved. Once you get donations, view and export your donor records under the Donations tab. Sounds exciting? Fractured Atlas, we're here to help. Visit us on Facebook and Twitter.